Hello everybody. This one shows you how to use a rice cooker to cook rice. If you want to try Chinese food and have a rice cooker, you can watch this one, and then I will make another video showing you how to use a saucepan to cook rice. This is the rice which has been washed, but this is the rice before washing. If you want to have rice having texture which is similar to what you have in, say, Japan, Korea, or Hong Kong, you should use this one. You should use this one. It's if you want to make sushi, you can use the sushi rice. If you want to just have a bowl of rice with some dishes, you can use jasmine rice. Better to have jasmine rice from Thailand. But the jasmine rice from Thailand is not the same as the sushi rice. Sushi rice is a little bit sticky. Now you can use some water to wash the rice first. Drain the water. Now if you use a cup to measure the quantity of rice, if you have added 2 cups of rice, then you can just add 2 cups of water. Usually it may be a bit different textures with different rice, but you can try. But usually same amount of water is okay. If after you have tried it and then you think that you want to have some more moisture, then you can just add a little bit water next time when you cook it. That's why if you are just a beginner, it's easy. If you have added, say, 1 cup of rice, then add 1 cup of water. If you have 2 cups of rice, then add 2 cups of water. But for some more experienced people, they can just look at the level of water like that. This is the water level, and this is the rice level, right? And the water level is about 1 cm higher than the rice. Okay, right. Now let me bring to my rice cooker. If you have a rice cooker, see whether there's a coating. See which type of rice cooker. If there's a coating here, it is not suggested to wash the rice inside the rice cooker. Then you can just use another bowl to wash the rice and then put the rice here. Okay, but for mine, I can just wash, because there's no coating, I can wash rice here. Therefore, make sure that you dry the bottom before putting in to the base. Okay, this is the base. Now it is very convenient to use a rice cooker because this amount of rice is about is enough for two boys. Okay, 2 young adults or young men. Okay, but it also depends on how much you want to eat, right? And then you can see that there's still some space here, and usually we can steam other dishes on the rice by making use of the rack like that. You put the rack here, and then you can put dish on it, then you can just cook the rice and dish together. Therefore it is very convenient to use a rice cooker. And then close it. Now maybe your rice cooker is different from mine, but more or less the functions are just the same. Some are even simpler. Okay, And then it is very easy. You can see there's a button written as rice, and then you just press it, then it will cook automatically by itself, and then no need to look at it. Therefore, it is very convenient. And I'm going to preset. Let's see. It's a little bit. You can also preset your some rice cooker to cook it for you, like that. It means it was scheduled to have the rice ready at 11:40. But of course, the buttons may be different from different model, and then that's it. And then for my case, I have schedule. I have preset the schedule that the rice will be cold at 11:40. It will be ready at 11:40. But usually, when after the rice has been cooked, usually there's a beep beep like that. Don't open it immediately. Let it be kept in the rice cooker for about 10 to 15 minutes. The rice will absorb the moisture, and then the texture will be much more better. Now, for us, we don't further rinse our rice, cooked rice, with water after it has been cooked. Therefore, when you hear the beep beep, it is cooked. Wait for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then open your rice cooker, and then you can enjoy the rice. Okay, that's the end of my video this time. My next video will show you how to cook rice in a saucepan, because for some overseas students of overseas especially you come from some Asian countries, you may miss the taste of rice, right? And you can cook it by yourself even if you don't have a rice cooker. Okay, see you next time.